Imagine having a personal assistant that not only understands your tasks, but also anticipates your needs, streamlining your workflow like never before. That's precisely what Microsoft's Copilot offers, a groundbreaking AI designed to revolutionize productivity. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below to stay updated with the latest in AI technology. Microsoft's Copilot is an AI-powered assistant integrated across various Microsoft applications, including Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. It leverages advanced machine learning to provide real-time suggestions, automate repetitive tasks, and enhance overall efficiency. For instance, in Word, Copilot can draft content based on brief prompts, while in Excel, it can analyze data trends and generate insightful visualizations. In October 2024, Microsoft introduced Copilot Vision, an extension that enables the AI to read and interpret on-screen content. This feature allows users to receive summaries, translations, and even voice narrations of the displayed information, making it more accessible and user-friendly. To accommodate diverse business needs, Microsoft launched a pay-as-you-go plan in January 2025. This flexible model allows corporate customers to access a suite of AI-powered productivity tools without long-term commitments, ensuring that businesses of all sizes can benefit from Copilot's capabilities. Recognizing the importance of responsible AI development, Microsoft formed a new unit in January 2025 dedicated to studying AI's impacts. This initiative aims to ensure that advancements like Copilot are developed and deployed ethically, prioritizing user trust and safety. As AI continues to evolve, Microsoft's Copilot stands at the forefront, transforming how we interact with technology to boost productivity and efficiency. For more insights into AI's role in modern business, check out the related video in the corner.